Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today, in our 9th video in the I-55 series, we continue north, beginning in Madison County, Mississippi, about 25 miles north of Jackson. Throughout this video, we won't be passing through any cities, and we're about to encounter the worst of the rain that we saw on this entire trip. So sit back and relax and enjoy the ride. At the Big Black River, we enter Yazoo County, named for the nearby Yazoo River, which comes from the Choctaw language and means River of Death. How inviting. Yazoo County was established in 1823 and is the largest county in the state of Mississippi. Yazoo County has a dark past of violence against African Americans during the Reconstruction era and is the site of the 1900 railroad disaster that killed Fable engineer Casey Jones. In 1927, Yazoo County was all but wiped out during the Great Mississippi River flood. Within the county are the Hillside National Wildlife Refuge and the Panther Swamp National Wildlife Refuge. As of 2019, Yazoo County had an estimated population of 28,248. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. and give us a thumbs up or hit the new super thanks button if you enjoy our videos. Exit 139 provides access to Yazoo City, the county seat of Yazoo County, with an estimated population of 10,869 as of 2019. Yazoo City lies about 20 miles west of I-55. We enter Holmes County, named for David Holmes, territorial governor and first governor of the state of Mississippi and later United States Senator from Mississippi. Holmes County had an estimated population of 17,622 as of 2018. Exit 144 provides access to the Holmes County seat of Lexington via State Highway 17. We conclude today's video here at mile marker 148. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.